Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, instant recall. Alright, done many videos on instant recall, and in my opinion, this is one of the easiest ways to start making some monthly income online. Actually, you could actually just use your phone if you want to, but still, right? One of the easiest ways to start making a monthly income online. Now, if you've never heard of Instant Recall, it's basically a free app that pays you for referring other people that decides to get involved with the Instant Recall program. Now, one thing that I always tell people before they get started is to become an actual Instant Recall earner, right? For you to actually have the ability to get paid from referrals, you have to become a data seller. Now, a lot of people be like, what you mean? What you mean? I gotta become a data seller. A data seller costs $3.99 to be a data seller. All right, now this price doesn't come from Instant Recall. This actually comes from Google. That's who you're actually paying. So you're not just paying some stranger behind a dumpster in the alley. That $3.99 goes to Google, right? And we all know who Google is, right? So basically for $4 a month, this will allow you to earn an unlimited income from Instant Recall by referring people to do the same thing that you just did, right? To become a data sharer, a data seller, you can start earning money. It's that simple. So once you join Instant Recall and get your account all set up, one of the first things that you can do to actually start getting referrals is contact people that you know. Because within the Instant Recall app, you're gonna see a thing that says like get referrals or message people, whatever. And it's gonna bring up all of the contacts on your phone using your social media, your current phone book. You can actually send a short message to everybody in your contacts, all right, as soon as you get set up. And I know a lot of people that have hundreds of people of contacts in their phone, you know, between their social media and their actual phone book. So just doing that alone can start generating you a nice monthly income from Instant Recall. So just like I said, just really grasp that for a second. All right, you go to Instant Recall, you get the app, you get signed up. First step you do is just send a simple pre-written message sharing the opportunity with people you already know. All right, that alone could change your financial future drastically. All right, so that will take you about 5 minutes to do. All right, now the next step is, hey, start deciding how you want to promote your new Instant Recall business. All right, so you can do it online. Me personally, I always recommend videos, doing YouTube shorts, Facebook reels, even Facebook posts. You can make some simple posts on your Facebook page, but I like doing Facebook reels. And another method that I truly love and a lot of people don't talk about, and that's old school, doing some flyers. All right, you can make a simple flyer just like this, right? Keep it very simple. Put a QR code, right? Because Instant Recall gives you your own QR code. Have a simple flyer like this, right? And then put it places where people are, damn it. Put it where people are. All right, remember, this is a business opportunity. This business can make you a ton of cash if you work it and take it serious, all right? So you can get flyers printed out, Vistaprint, Staples, wherever you want to get them printed out. You can print them out yourself and go out there and put these flyers everywhere. You don't even have to put your phone number, your address. You don't even got to put a website on these flyers. Just put your QR code and put a very appealing, enticing message to make people want to scan it. This could drastically blow up your Instant Recall business. Now you might be thinking like, bro, you keep talking about, oh, drastic income and monthly income. So how much could I really make off of this opportunity? Well, I'm about to share with you right now the earning potential that Instant Recall has. Now, after you see this, I'm sure you're going to be hyped up, right? Just like I was. I'm sure you're going to be like, oh, hell yeah, I could do this. I could do this, right? And guess what? You actually can. But keep in mind, it is all about taking action. Do not join this opportunity and sit on it, right? Don't have your affiliate link and your QR code and you do nothing with it, all right? This is a business opportunity. So once you finish watching this video, I'm sure you're gonna be ready to rock and roll. All you need to do is click the link in the description of this video and follow the steps. That's all you gotta do. Follow the steps on that page and you will be all set up to start making a monthly recurring income. Because yes, when it comes to instant recall, your boy is in go mode.
Well, here's what I've been telling people, and it's just been exploding. I tell people like, hey, over the next 30, 60, 90 days, what if I could show you a good, genuine way to make over $5,000 a month? And all you have to do is download an app and get other people to download the app. So if you want to make over $5,000 a month, you just find 10 people who download the app, and every person you get to download, tell them to do the same. Just say, hey, go find 10 people to download this app, right? And you can even show them this video, and it's going to do all the explaining for you. So you can send people this video, say, hey, watch this video. Afterwards, trust me, you'll download my app. 10, getting 10, getting 10, getting 10. As you can see, that's over $5,600 a month, right? The extra 60,000 plus coming to your household, that should change a lot, right? I think, now let's get a little crazy. What if everyone went out and got 25 people to download this app? Remember, you get paid monthly for keeping this app. That's over $203,000 a month just for everyone getting 25, right? So if you don't believe those numbers, go down to 10, right? So the power of 10, but I'm going for the gusto. And here's what I love. At 50, if everyone just went out and got 50 people to download this app, that's over $3.1 million. And I'm telling you, when you see this, I know a lot of you guys is like, this can't be real. One thing I'm excited about is I have a personal relationship with the gentleman who has a long-term relationship with the founders. And he says, Frank, these guys are gold. They are grandfathers, fathers. They are Christian guys. These are guys who are legitimate. He says they're not going to scam anyone. So I can stand behind the guy I know. He's standing behind those guys. So I'm excited about this. Now, this could be the biggest no-brainer in the history of mankind. I think this is the biggest no-brainer. If you love doing what you're doing, keep doing it. This is not to distract you from that, but I think it's so easy. Just do the simple 10 plan. Give away a free app. It's no cost now or ever to 10 people, and just tell everybody to do that, and you're over $5,600 each month.